In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set statuses in ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to update your status so your team always knows what you're doing, whether you're heads down focusing, stepping away for lunch, or out on vacation. Let's start from inside your ClickUp workspace. Look up to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile picture, also known as your avatar. This is usually a small circle with either your initials or an image you selected. Go ahead and click that avatar. This opens a small menu with a few personal options related to your account. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Set Status. This is the feature that lets you communicate your current availability or focus level to your teammates. Click on Set Status to open the status panel. Once the status panel opens, you'll see a list of predefined status options you can choose from. These might include things like focusing, on vacation, or similar phrases, depending on how ClickUp is configured for your workspace. These predefined options are helpful because they're quick to select and easy for others to recognize at a glance. If one of these options describes what you're doing right now, simply click on it. If none of the predefined options quite fit your situation, you can type a custom status instead. Just click into the text field and write whatever you want your teammates to see. For example, you might enter something like DND to indicate Do Not Disturb, or in a client meeting, or reviewing tasks. Keep it short but clear so people immediately understand your availability. Next, you can personalize your status a bit more by adding an emoji. This is optional, but it makes your status easier to spot. Choose an emoji that matches what you're doing, like a focus icon, a beach symbol if you're on vacation, or anything that makes sense to you and your team. You can also set a duration for your status if you'd like. This tells ClickUp how long to keep that status active before it automatically clears or reverts. Setting a duration is especially useful for temporary states, like focusing for a couple of hours or being away for the afternoon. Once you've chosen your predefined or custom status, selected an emoji, and set a duration if you want one, you're ready to apply it. Click the Save button. Your new status will now appear next to your name in ClickUp, helping your team understand what you're up to and how available you are.